a Hamlin burger, a meal in honor of number 3. Damar has been through so much. He's incredible. He's just incredible. And so I'm doing a buffalo-style burger for number 3. We start out with 2 pounds of buffalo or bison meat. If you can't find that, of course, you can just use extra lean sirloin, which anyone can get, or you can use a meat substitute if you're a vegetarian. What I have already on the bison or buffalo is salt and pepper. We're going to now add some smoky paprika, about 2 teaspoons. We can add Worcestershire sauce to the burger itself, delicious, or you can add the Worcestershire sauce to the buffalo sauce that we're going to turn the burgers in. We mix that all together, and then we try and pat it back into an even layer in the dish, okay? We try and get that into an even layer so we can score it. We're scoring the meat, and that's so when we pull the meat, we know we're pulling about the same amount of meat each time we make a patty. When we form each patty, we always make them a little bit thinner at the center and a little bit thicker at the edges for even cooking. We'll form all of our patties and put them in the skillet at the same time, even if we have to cook them in batches, depending on how many people you're making burgers for. We want to put them in the pan at the same time, again, for even cooking. All right, so when the burgers are browned, we take them out. And now to the pan, we're going to reduce the heat, okay, because now we're just going to make buffalo sauce and the drippings. We're going to add a few pats of butter, 1 pat for each burger, some garlic, 1 clove per burger, and then 1/4 to 1/2 cup of hot sauce, depending on how hot you like it. So just think about how you order your wings, okay? We're going to swirl the butter and the garlic in the drippings and release the bison or buffalo drippings. We like things extra hot in this house, so I'm going to go a little on the heavy side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 for each burger. As I said, Worcestershire can go in the burger or in the sauce. Couple of fat splashes of that. For the blue cheese dressing that goes on top of the burger, your special sauce, AKA, you need about 1 cup of sour cream. This has a little sprinkle of granulated garlic, granulated onion, salt, pepper, and a handful of mixed herbs. I use the classic ranch dressing combo of chive, dill, and parsley. But you can use whatever you want. Just do chives straight up, that's fine too. And we add in our nice chunky blue cheese. And any extra dressing you can pass with your carrot and celery sticks. If you want to make it an extra cheesy burger, I suggest cheddar cheese or pepper jack. John, what do you want? Just the dressing, cheddar, pepper jack, or the works?
Can I have all 3?
Sure, you can have the works. All right, so now we're just going to turn the burgers in the sauce, turn the pan off. You don't want to overcook your burgers, especially these burgers, they're so lean. And if you want the cheese, now's the point you do it, and tent it with a little foil. So I put 4 slices of pickle on the bun bottom. So we put basically a blue cheese dressing salad up on top of our buffalo style burger, which looks crazy good. Lettuce, tomato, onion, and then we put our blue cheese, sour cream, Greek yogurt, and I leave this super thick. I don't use mayonnaise. I don't make the sauce thin. I make it more like a dip than a dressing. And there is our latest burger creation for number 3 for Damar Hamlin. We are so thrilled and happy and blessed that you are doing so well. The whole world loves you.